Good morning everyone, welcome to SEALED IAS. So this video is specially designed for the student having geography as an optional, and also for those students who are still confused whether they should take geography as an optional or not. So in this video we will be discussing all these issues one by one. So first let us look what are the various problems faced by aspirant regarding geography as an optional. So the first problem of the student is vast syllabus. Here the question arises how to make it simple. And the next problem of the student is background. Again here the question arises, does the graduation background of a student matters? And the next problem of the student is lots of information. Again here the question is how to memorize vast information in easy manner. And the last problem of the student is maps and drawings. Here again the question arises how to learn get perfection in maps and drawing. So all these issues will discuss the details. So the first problem, as we discussed, vast syllabus. So as you know, optional has two papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2, and both papers are integrated and interrelated. Say for example, section A of paper 1 is theory and concept part like geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, biogeography, environment geography, and in geomorphology we have fundamental of geomagnetism, isostasy, slope development, etc. And section B of paper 1 is again theory and concept part like perspective of human geography, economic geography, population and settlement, regional planning, models and theories, etc. like theory of Malthusian and Marxist theory. And when talk about paper 2 is all about application of the theory, that is paper 1. And in paper 2 we have physical structure of India, economic geography, population and settlement, agriculture, trade, transport, industries, communication, human settlement, etc. And the next problem of the student is background. So geography as an optional provide equal opportunity to students from humanity and science background. Say for example, basic science which you studied in school till 10th standard like temperature, pressure, density, conduction, convection, advection, radiation, angular momentum. So these are basic concepts which are used in understanding of landforms and climatology. And when talk about humanity backgrounds, humanity covers human geography, economic geography, and agriculture, transportation, industries, etc. Hence any students can gain from geography as an optional. And another advantage is geography form important part of GS syllabus. Let's say for example, in prelims there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 there is geography and environment, there will be at least 25 to 30 questions. And when talk about mains, GS paper 1 and geography will help in GS paper 3 as well. Hence geography optional does not look vast. And the next problem of the student is lots of information. So geography optional is more static in nature and students have to remember many facts. Say for example, countries, location, physical features, climatic features, economic features, etc. And to help it, to help all these facts, we'll cover in class notes, sealed IS study material, and therefore hence student no need to purchase different book like Savinder Singh, Thornberry, Majid Hussain, Yojana, Kurukshetra, etc. And the next problem and last problem of the student is maths and drawing. So geography optional, in geography optional, maths and drawing are very scoring. Like world map, we have physical and political map, and India we have physical and political map. Here you can get maximum marks. And from us, you will be learning the art of drawing flowchart and diagram. And for that, separate classes will be conducted in which techniques will be taught for mastering in maps and drawing. And at the end of the classes, maps and drawing, map based test series will be conducted for both static as well as current affair based location in news. So these are options we have seen. What are the major problems faced by students and what could be the better solution? Apart from this, let's see, if anyone takes geography as an optional, what are the advantages in prelims as well as mains? When talk about prelims, as you know, there are two papers in prelims, that is paper 1 and paper 2. And in paper 1, we have geography, we have environment, is also part of paper 1. And as I said, there are 25 to 30 questions is asked by UPSC in prelims. If anyone takes geography as an optional, he or she can easily solve 25 questions, and each question carrying 2 marks, which means there will be 50 marks. And if you see, the average cutoff is 100 marks, and out of 100, if you are taking 50 marks from geography and environment, which means you are scoring 50% of the total cutoff. And when talk about mains, we have GS paper 1. So there will be 5 to 6 questions from GS paper 1 and carrying 100 marks. And in GS paper 2, directly, indirectly, we will get 2 to 3 questions like international relation and India and its neighborhood relation. So here you can get 30 marks. And in GS paper 3, there is topic called environment, agriculture, disaster management. So here again you can get 40 to 50 marks. And if there is any essay comes from environment and agriculture, so both are part of GS optional, that is a geography optional. So again here you can also get 125 marks. So if you calculate 500 optional, at least 200 from your GS paper 1, 2 and 3, and 125 from optional. So at least you can get 700 to 800 marks if you are having geography as an optional. So these are information we have seen how geography play an important role in prelims as well as mains. Let us see what are the syllabus in geography optional. As I said, there are 2 papers in geography optional, paper 1 and paper 2, and paper 1 is all about theory and concept, and paper 2 is all about application of the theory. Like in section A of paper 1, we have geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, biogeography and environment geography. In geomorphology, we would discuss the origin and evolution of landform. Under that, we'll discuss various theory given by different geographers like Laplace, Kant theory, Then we'll discuss about the Malthusian theory, and in geomorphology we will discuss the internal structure of Earth, theory given by L.C. King, Davis-Peng theory, Earth movement and landforms. Then we'll discuss the continental drift theory, plate tectonic theory, slope development, fundamental of geomagnetism, etc. And in climatology, we discuss climatic features like atmosphere composition, structure, solar radiation, insulation, classification of Köppen. And in oceanography, we discuss ocean related information, ocean resources, what are continental shelf, continental slope, ocean currents, cold current, warm currents, horizontal and vertical distribution of temperature, then horizontal and vertical distribution of salinity, coral reefs, what are the problems associated with the coral reefs and their location. And in biogeography, we will discuss soil profile, soil genesis, degradation of soil, conservation of soil. And in environment geography, we would discuss environmental related issue like what are the problems associated in the forest ecosystem, biodiversity, climate change, international convention, etc. And after complete the physical geography, that is section A of paper 1, you can directly link the theory concept part with GS paper 2, that is application part, that is physical setting. And when talk about human geography, we have perspective of human geography, economic geography. In economic geography, when we will cover theory and concept part, you can directly link with the resources, agriculture, industries and transportation, that is application of the theory part. And population settlement geography, that is theory and concept part. Again the application part will discuss in cultural setting, settlement, regional planning, political aspect as well. And when talk about regional planning, it can directly link with the regional development. And when talk about models, theories and laws of human geography, like theories of Malthusian, Marxism theory, everything. And here the contemporary issue and ecological issue, when we'll discuss environmental geography, this is also will cover ecological issue as well. So this is how we understood what are the importance of geography in mains and prelims, as well as what are the syllabus that we will discuss in geography optional. If any student want to join geography optional class, they can direct contact with www.sealedis.in, and he or she can direct contact with landline number and direct contact with mobile number. And the classes, mode of classes will be hybrid, means both offline and online. If any students sit in Delhi or planning to move Delhi, they can directly join offline class. If anyone is outside Delhi, they can take online class. And the classes will commence on 21st November 2022. So these are all about glimpse of the geography optional, and the picture is still remaining. So we'll again come back with another video. Thank you so much.